Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure MySQL database inside Red Hat Linux. First of all, you need to log in, then type the password, then install the package yum install MySQL. This is the package for MySQL database. Install it. Then restart the service MySQLD restart. Okay, service MySQL. Okay, I think package not installed completely, so there is no. So just put a star here, press Y. Okay, now you can restart the service MySQLD restart and done. Okay, now the MySQL database has been installed, the package is installed, and the service also restarted. Now before login, you have to run this command MySQL secure installation, MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. So you have to run this command. Okay, without running this command, nothing will work. Then it's asking enter current password for root, enter for none. So I don't want any password here, so just press enter. Set root password, yes, I want set root password, root user password for MySQL, yes. Set new password, suppose Red Hat, I want to put Red Hat. Re-enter new password, Red Hat, I type. Remove anonymous user. By default, there are some anonymous users inside this database. You want to remove them, you can press Y. If you don't want to remove them, you can press N. I don't want to remove them, press N. Disallow login remotely. It means the first two things here. Okay, first thing is allow root login remotely. If it's ask allow root login remotely, you have to press here Y. But here it's saying disallow root login remotely, means asking you that do you want to block root login remotely. No, because we want to allow remote login. Okay, remote login to this server remotely. Remove test database and access to it. By default, there is a test database. So you want to remove it? No, you don't want to remove it. Then press 9. Reload previous table now. Yes, press Y and done. Now restart the service MySQLD restart. Once restart, service restart, your MySQL server is running. You can check the status using service MySQLD status. Okay, MySQL database is running. Now how to log in? If you want to log into the MySQL hyphen U means user is root, hyphen P means password. Now give the password for the MySQL root user, that is Red Hat in I have given. Now you are inside the MySQL database. Here if you want to check the database created, you can run here show databases. Okay, and it will show the list of database. So you can see by default MySQL and test database. If you want to create a database, you can create. Suppose I want to create database named Satish. So this command will create a database named Satish. If you want to check it again, done, show database, and you can see another database Satish has been created inside this database. If you want to delete some database, you simply put drop database and the name of the database you want to drop. That is suppose Satish. You want to delete Satish database and database has been deleted. If you want to check, you can check it again. So database, and you can see database has been deleted again. If you run help command, it will show you list of commands which you can apply here. If you want to exit from the database, you simply type exit and you are logged out from the database. In this way, you can easily configure, create database, delete database, look for the database, log into the database using MySQL database in Linux machine through the command line. Thank you for watching. If you still have any doubts, you can ask me through the comment section.